Welcome back to Scratch Coding. I hope you had a great time yesterday when you created your account and you did the initial getting started tutorial. Today we're going to do a few more, or today we're going to do one more. You're going to once again log into your Scratch account and click on Ideas. And depending on what day it is, just look at your instruction sheet. We will be doing some of these activity guides. Okay, so look at today's instruction sheet to see which one you should be doing. One day we'll do animate a name. Another day we'll do imagine a world. Another day make a chase game. So just look at your instruction sheet and see which one it is, and click on the one you're supposed to. Okay, for today, for this example, I'm going to click on this one, and all you do is click try the tutorial. Okay, if you're supposed to do imagine a world, click that one and click try the tutorial. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like when you open it. When you open try the tutorial, it's going to create your project, and then kind of like yesterday, you're going to have kind of a step-by-step instruction at the bottom like you did in the setup one. So right down here, you're going to click play to watch the video. It'll give you an overview of what you're doing today, and then you just use the arrow to go through. It tells you what to do each step of the way. Okay, do that, and then do that, and then do that, and so on. Okay, and then once again, remember to submit it. You're going to change, first of all, you got to change your title up here to, like for example, the change a name one, change it to what it's called. So this one was called, sorry, I'm forgetting now. This one was called, let me go back. Oh, this one was called Imagine a World. So anyway, change the name so it doesn't say untitled. Imagine a World, okay? And then you're going to click on Share and click on the link right here where it says Copy Link so that you can put it in Canvas. Right here, click Copy Link here, and go paste that into Canvas. All right? You'll do the same thing on a couple other days as well. The only difference will be which activity you choose. Have fun. You guys are going to be programmers.